In this guide, you'll learn how to transfer funds between your FXNX accounts. Let's get started. From the home screen, tap the Transfer button. Choose which account to transfer from, your wallet or any trading account. Select the destination account for your funds. Enter the transfer amount or use the percentage buttons, 25, 50, 75, or 100%. Tap Confirm. Review the transfer details. Source, destination, amount, and fee. Tap Confirm Transfer. Done. Your funds have been moved instantly. Tap Close or start a new transfer. And that's it. You've completed all the steps. If you need any help, reach out via live chat on portal.fxnx.com. Happy trading!